Hi fellow viewers, to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, to all viewers, I would like to inform ahead that I will be using two languages, English and Filipino, which is the official language, Tagalog. Two languages. By the way, my next abbreviations or acronyms in here in the Philippines is about Calabarzon. All of these are capitalized letters. And what's the meaning of Calabarzon? Okay. Actually, the answer is there are 5 provinces located in Region 4A. It's a former Region 4, yes, in Southern Tagalog region. Okay. By the way, wait for a while. I just opened the line. Okay, by the way, the meaning of this Calabarzon is Cavite, that is CA. LA means Laguna. BA is Batangas. R is Rizal province. ZON is Quezon. So if you combine these 5 provinces, it means Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, Quezon, Calabarzon. And take note, this is Region 4A because there is another region in Region 4 which is called Mimaropa. Take note, Mimaropa is not part of 4A. Region 4 Mimaropa is another group. It's part of Region 4, but that's another provinces, meaning another group provinces. But I will discuss is more on Calabarzon. Okay. Calabarzon is, as what I've said, it's the provinces of Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, and Rizal and Quezon province that is bordered by clockwise from the north by National Capital Region or NCR, Laguna de Bay, because there is a lake, what they call Laguna Lake, Central Luzon that is in northern part, Philippine Sea, it's already surrounded. Tayaba Sea, by the way, Tayaba Sea is near in Quezon Province. Verde Island Passage is also included. Bicol region for those who are in the boundary of Quezon Province, because you cannot go to Quezon Province without passing Bicol region. Anyway, Bicol region is another group. It's another region. And aside from Bicol region, there is the region 4A is also surrounded also South China Sea, or known as SCS. And of course, when they are facing Manila, the view, example in the far view, not top view, front view, it's already Manila Bay. Yes, Manila Bay. Okay, what are the what do you call this, the contents of this Calabarzon? Okay, Calabarzon is, I will start on Cavite. Cavite has 7 cities, 16 municipalities, and 829 barangays. In Rizal will be on the fourth part. I will mention Laguna. Laguna has 6 cities, 24 municipalities, and 681 barangays. That is LA, Laguna. Next is BA, Batangas. Take note, Batangas is only 4 cities, 30 municipalities, 30, and 1,078 barangays. Okay. Next is letter R, Rizal. Okay, a lot of you are asking to me is, why is it the city is only 1? Actually, to be honest, is, yes, Antipolo is a city, although Cainta is not yet official as city. Actually, the local government unit of Cainta is planning to have a city. Actually, there is a Congress debate. Hopefully, ito siya baka maging city na in the next few years, pero hindi pa natin officially maipapublish as city. So, therefore, one city lang ang Rizal. Ito ang napaka-importante. Ang maa-assure ko lang at maa-accept is ma-honor ko ay ang Antipolo. So, kung Antipolo ay city, so therefore, isa lang ang city. So, therefore, Cainta is not yet city. So, therefore, one city, 13 municipalities. Kasi kung magiging city ang Cainta, magiging 12 municipalities lang. Yan ang koan. Although, kung whole Rizal Province, kung tatanungin mo sa akin kung ang barangay ilan sa whole province of Rizal, it's only 189 barangays. And kung tutuusin sa buong Calabarzon provinces on that region 4A, siya ang pinaka mababa. Yes, totoo, Rizal Province. Then sa Quezon Province, siya ang the 5th provinces na mayroon 20 cities. 20 cities. Take note, hindi kasama ang Quezon City. Quezon City is under National Capital Region. 22 municipalities and 4,019 barangays. Maraming barangays ang Quezon Province. So, kung tutuusin, natalo ang Cavite pa. In terms of comparability, natalo nila ang Cavite tsaka Batangas. Siya ang highest number of barangays. Whole Quezon Province. Kaya, yan. So, that's it. I hope that you enjoy my acronyms or abbreviations video. This is about Calabarzon. So, before I say goodbye, it is called Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon Province. There are 5 provinces. Region 4A. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon. And by the way, pwede nyo i-share itong mga kakilala nyong provinces na nabanggit ko 5 sa Region 4A kasi napaka-importante po itong video na ito kasi hahanap-hanapin nila ito sooner or later. Okay? Thank you so much.